Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and welcome back to Tech Wright. Okay, so I have something that I told myself I wasn't gonna do it. I promised myself it was not gonna happen, but it did. So I bought the iPhone 10. I am so excited about this that I can't stand it. I mean, can you just look at it? Can you see this? Isn't this the most beautiful thing that you've ever seen in your life? The seal's already broken on this thing. Just to, you know, give you a little heads up. I couldn't contain myself. I didn't have time to film at the, day of purchase. I decided like 10 minutes before I was gonna buy the phone that I actually bought it. So I didn't have time to plan for it or anything. They had them in stock. I took it. I took what's mine. So, for the sake of this video, I went through the trouble of reboxing this whole thing just for you so that you can get the experience. This is the 256 gigabyte space gray version of the iPhone 10. Okay, so I'm so excited I can't breathe. So even though I've already opened this, it's like you get the experience again. Okay, so you get your paperwork for the sake of showing you. Oh look, it's already turned on. I wonder why. As you can see, I attempted to put the paper back on for the sake of showing you guys. And then I'm gonna rip the paper off for the sake of showing you guys. Now listen, this thing is absolutely, positively beautiful. I thought that it was gonna be a little bit bigger than what it is. I'm not gonna lie, but that's okay. Because even since the iPhone 7 or the 7 Plus and the 8 Plus, they have a 5.5 inch screen. This is a 5.8 inch display. And it is absolutely beautiful. This year, Apple switched to OLED displays, which is something that they've never had before. They've actually purchased these screens from Samsung, which I feel like is kind of an oxymoron, but I'm glad that they did because this is like, it's beautiful. The only thing that I'm kind of iffy about, like I don't hate it, but I don't love it, is the notch at the top of the display, which is crazy to me because I didn't think that it was something I was like for at all. 100% didn't like it. But now that I have it, it really doesn't bother me, so I don't have a, look at that. You can't see that in the camera, but that is the light flashing, trying to recognize my face. So as soon as it finds my face, it immediately, you unlock it and you slide up and then you're in your phone. So it's actually really cool. Look. Lock, it's locked. You unlock. That flashing red light right there, the camera can pick that up, but your eyes cannot. That is trying to, detect your face. So now that I have it turned off, when I look at it, it automatically unlocks. I can slide up to unlock my phone. I was very skeptical about this because I didn't really think it was gonna work. But I've had this phone for like 4 or 5 days, and it is amazing. I don't really know what else to say other than it works way better than I thought it would. So there's that. So aside from looking at the amazing piece of equipment that I spent a lot of money on, let's at least look and see what's in the box. We all already know what comes in the box. You get your power brick, which I have so many of these, it is ridiculous. I just am keeping this in the box so that way I know I have a spare in here and I know where to go if I lose all of mine. The next thing is the double little kit that's got the lightning earphones in it, and then on the other side you have your dongle, which I'm gonna try. I haven't lost my phone that I got last year. I haven't lost the dongle from that, which I'm astounded that I haven't, but we'll see. So I'm just gonna keep that in here again. And then the last thing is the power cord. Now the iPhone 10 allows for wireless charging, which is another reason that I don't even need this cord, because as soon as I got the phone, I got a wireless charging station, and I'm actually gonna test out a couple different ones so that way I can do a video on the best one for you guys versus the price. Right now I'm using a Belkin one, which seems to work perfectly fine for me. this charge on this phone lasts me for like a day and a half. So if I'm conservative on the second day, when I get home, I'll have to plop it on the charger. So it has a good battery life. I know the battery hasn't changed, but for the same type of battery, being a bigger screen, it works really well. So this video is not actually really long at all. I just wanted to do like an unboxing for you guys to let you know that I did get the iPhone X. I'm actually gonna do a review, like 1 week or 2 week review on this after using it for a little while to kind of let you guys know if I like it. What I don't like about it is there's stuff on it that I'm excited about. I'm really excited to test the camera out, and I'm gonna do that soon. That'll be another video. But I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update to let you know that I did jump ship and spend money on the iPhone X. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love all of you. Put a comment down in the comments below. Do you want the iPhone X? Do you hate the iPhone X? What are your thoughts on this? Be sure to like this video. Again, leave those comments in the comments below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out these 2 videos right here, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love all of you. Peace.